Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. So in today's video I wanted to show you how the girls got their knotless braids done. It was done a bit differently, however it's still very safe for their hair, for their scalp, most especially for their edges as well. And then I love the fact that this hair has lasted now for 3 weeks, going on the 4th week, which I'm planning to take it down soon, and it still looks really nice. I just have to just brush the edges and they're good to go. So I'll take you guys along on how it was done. I started with Zoe. I only filmed Zoe just because Allison just needed my attention a bit more, so I wasn't able to film both of them, but it was the same thing that was done on their head, pretty much. We went ahead and curled the tips with the perm rod, which I will show you guys toward the end. But first, the word of God. So this is the hair that was used, the Expression Premium Ultra Braid. It was 3 bundles inside and the length was 42 inches, but we cut it into 2 and then stretched out the other part so it can just be a little shorter for them. And then we used, this bag was used on Zoe's hair. 3 bundles was used on Allison's hair as well. So we used 2 packs. Then we're starting on fully blow dried hair just because it's easier to braid their hair when it's blow dried. So to get the specific size that the girls had, she added hair once unless she needed to when she was braiding the tips. She'll go ahead and add one more just so it can be like, the same length. But to get that size, the thickness, she added only once. Alright, so I'll go ahead and let you guys watch, and I have some parts that's been slowed down just a bit so that way you can view it better. But yeah, that's pretty much what she did. Again, it's a different type of knotless braids, but it was all safe for the girls. curled the ends using these cold wave rods in the red color here, and then we dipped them in the hot water. I didn't get a chance to record this part just because the girls were so out of it and I needed to help out just for safety reasons. And yeah, that is all we did, and voila. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll speak to you in my next video very, very soon. Stay safe. God bless. Bye.